Alright, y'all. There's my beast. 2017 Africa Twin. And took her out for a little ride today. Some off-road, kind of like 4x4 trails. Nothing too aggressive, but I'm new to this, so I'm easing my way into it. Aside from a couple of sketchy little spots, a little bit of slipping and sliding, she seems to be pretty damn forgiving. So what have I done to this thing? All kinds of shit, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously I put this box on. GV Monarchy. GoPro 360 selfie stick mount. I replaced these for Jennifer. She hasn't been on it yet. Put some big IMS pegs. Adventure 2 road pegs. Because I'm a big boy and I like to have options. I actually just put the headlight protector on yesterday or the day before. And I have a big Touratech skid plate coming because I just have the stock one, as you can see down there. It's tiny. But for the stuff I'm going to do, that's probably fine anyways. What else? Throttle lock. Put that on. I got my little cheap car play device from Walmart. I think I paid 160, 170 bucks for it. I got my Moskomoto tool fatty bag here. Really just a couple rock straps. I don't feel it at all because I'm sitting up here and I'm so heavy I don't know if it'll even matter. I put this trigger rear brake lever on there. Trying to think, what else have I done? So the bike came with a lot of stuff already. Lower crash bars, obviously Touratech upper crash bars, the fog lights. I'm trying to think what else he had on here. He had put SAE connectors for here. There's another one on the seat, which actually is connected into my back so I can charge my phone as I go, or my cameras. Slower chain protectors down here. I'm sure I'm missing stuff. Whoever had it had put metal radiator protectors in there, which is nice because it's one of the things that I probably had to do anyways. Grip heaters. That was already on here. Bar risers, but they're gonna go because I don't like the way it feels when I stand. I'm not comfortable. I want these bars to be a little bit more forward. And I saw online where I think Brett Tax said remove the spacers, turn these around the handlebar clamps, and that'll give you a much better positioning for this specific bike, which I'm planning to do. I did fiddle with the suspension today because I had never messed with it since I had the bike. So I put it to stock and then I did some additional adjusting. This thing was all the way to its softest setting, which is very strange. Don't know why that would have been. I also have the, I think they're called Fobo tire pressure monitoring system. It's basically these things, which is pretty cool. It warns you if it's low. Previous owner had put this on, protector. He also has a power, I forget what it's called, underneath the seat here, where you have a lot more connectors and additional accessories like the heated grips and the SAE chargers and things like that. The fog lights, I'm going to turn those on just to see how that looks. Of course I have all my gear and crap in here, which I do have a lot of crap, but it's all very light. It's not heavy, so I know some people will freak out about that shit. I don't give two craps. And I don't plan on putting the heavier or the hard side bags on. If anything, I'll get the soft. So that's the way it looks with one headlight and the fog lights. This trout bright. Actually pretty bright. Huh. Not bad, not bad. So you're definitely going to see me. I don't know how bright they are, but this CarPlay device has been working really well. And, like I said, I put this throttle lock on. And this bike has a I guess the previous owner put a USB, like a USB little port in here, so I can charge, keep this going, and I have an extra one there. But it has obviously a DCT, it's gravel, ABS, traction control settings you could use or not use. It has a manual setting you can use if you want to shift manually. Also have this kickstand enlarger, the base. What else? Probably missing something. I don't know. But so far, it's been good to me. Had a couple of little butt pucker moments, as I call them, today. And I do have a Camelback, but I have Pedialyte in this thing. It's one of my bicycle bottles I carry with me, because when I stop I can take a drink or two. So in here I have my GoPro stuff. I have my pump, I have my jump starter, I have some GoPro license first aid kit, patch kit, tire patch kit. I have some extra gloves. I have a self-recovery device. It's the strap thing. I forget what company sells it, but all a bunch of light stuff really back here in the back, so I'm good with it. And I'm loving this milder weather, because my gosh, I'm all about mild weather. You need mild weather, y'all. So, and yes, I got my permanent tags. Considering replacing the pipe, but that's just a cosmetic thing, I don't know. And I might remove these pegs when I don't have Jennifer on it, and I probably won't have her on it for quite a while, because I'm trying to get used to this bad boy. Forgot to mention that whoever owned it previously put these on there too, which I'm glad, because these plastic things, while they're good, this thing is obviously steel. But the one thing I'm noticing, because I sit down on my ass too much, is I need a shorter windscreen. I like it for the road, but out here on a trail, I need something a little taller. So that's what's going to happen. I mean, a little shorter.